Hey Jajasma, I am here with Make Money Online information as promised last Monday. So, how do you start making money online? Well, I have discovered a few things that I want to share with you, especially for us in third world countries, because we have difficulties, with payment because our banks do not work with international banks and so on and so on. But it is possible, and I will share that information with you in this video. So please stay until the end of this video, and then you will know. But how can you start making money online? What I will be sharing here is more for people who have patience. I might say for youngsters, but not only youngsters, there are adults like me who are patient enough to start an online business. They really want to they really want to make money online, and they have the patience and the guts and the courage to start whatever they want to do. You can make money online YouTubing, vlogging. You can make money online blogging, so writing, and vlogging is for video logging. And you can make money on Facebook. You can make money by being an affiliate marketer. And I already shared this information, affiliate marketer, network marketer, and all the basic information about online marketing on my page. But I will be resharing this information because I have new followers on my page, and they might get confused, or they might come across words as affiliate marketer and not know what I'm talking about. So for those people, I will be sharing that information so you can educate yourself on the basic information about making money online. So yeah, as I was saying, you can make money online, vlogging, blogging, on Facebook. Not in all countries, but you can make money on Facebook by doing Facebook videos, and then there are in-stream ads, so advertisements in your videos, and then you can get paid. You can make money as an affiliate marketer, as I said, and the easiest way, when I studied the information, when you go online and look for ways on how to start making money online, most people will refer you to ClickBank. And what is ClickBank? ClickBank is an online marketplace, and it offers a wide variety of services. And you can go on there and offer your service as well. If you know how to cut and paste, know how to make presentations, whatever your talent is, if you know how to present, if you know how to write nice presentations, you could go on Fiverr and offer your services there, and you get paid for it. Yes, even in Suriname, yes, even in Ghana, yes, even in Nigeria or Jamaica, you can do it, and you can get paid whenever people choose to work with you. That is one way of making money. But you can also register on Fiverr. You see, I confuse Fiverr with ClickBank. Apologies. You have Fiverr and you have ClickBank. And I need to talk about ClickBank because ClickBank is a marketplace where people offer a wide variety of services and products that you as an affiliate marketer can promote, and whenever people buy from you, then you get paid. And then I'm coming to Fiverr. Fiverr is another online marketplace whereby you can offer your services, and whenever people choose to work with you, then you get paid for it. So you do a job for them. People make money on Fiverr by doing cut and paste. Really. So when there's a picture, I need to remove someone from the picture and and keep the rest of the picture as a whole. People do that, and they make money from it. You can do everything on Fiverr. You can read books for people. You can do audio. You can do transcriptions and read books for people. That is, some people in this modern day world, a lot of people are turning to audio books. So all the books that are written, people are trying to turn them into audiobooks so people who are on the go can still listen to books. So you can offer your services as a reader. Am I saying it right? Yes, you can offer your services as a reader. You can offer services as a transcriptionist. What is a transcriber or a transcriptionist? You know, when you look at movies, at the bottom of the movie, you will see what is being said or what happens in the movie is written at the bottom of the screen. You know, on mother coming in, and then they write mother coming in. Door knocks, loud bang. That is a transcriber. That is transcription. That is the work of a transcriber. You can become a transcriber, but you will have to study for it though. So that is why I say if you have the patience, you can make money online because you will have to study. People do translations online and they get paid for it. So there you can do everything online and make money online. But let's stay at Fiverr. I already explained to you what ClickBank is. ClickBank is people offer services, and if you promote those services and people buy those services from you, from your affiliate link, then you get paid for that link. Then you get paid for people buying what you have been promoting. But on Fiverr, going back to Fiverr, you can also make money from the people offering services on Fiverr. So let's say there is someone on Fiverr who can do cut and paste pictures. You as a person, you don't have to do all the work. You could just promote, hey, I can cut and paste your photo, I can edit your photos, I can edit your videos for you. Do you want to edit? Are you interested? And then whenever there are you have customers, there are people that are interested in this kind of service, you go to that person on Fiverr and you give them the job. And you make money, so you pay that person on Fiverr and you take the money from that person who wants to do the job. So you're kind of like a middle person. Yes, you can make money from that. So maybe they're offering services for cheap on Fiverr. People write business plans for $40 or $10 or $20 on Fiverr. So if they sell it on Fiverr for like maybe $10, you sell it for $15 and you make a $5. It's something, right? And you don't have to do all the work. You're just the middle person. You could also become an affiliate for Fiverr. If you can go and register on Fiverr, I will put a link in this video where you can use my link and go to Fiverr and register there and start offering your services as well. Or purchase a service that is on Fiverr. But please use my affiliate link so I can make a little money, okay? So that is what an affiliate marketer does. And please do me the honors because I'm testing it out for you, right? So if you go on Fiverr, if you decide to register on Fiverr, please register via my link. But let's move on. So that is it for Fiverr and ClickBank. You can make money on Fiverr and ClickBank. And there are tons of other methods on making money online, but I won't take too long in this video. Next week I am coming with another idea of how to make money online. There are like remote jobs and so on and so on, and I will share those links with you guys so you can choose whatever you want to do to start making money online. But please remember, it takes time. Even if you will start a YouTube channel, it takes time to build it. I checked, and I'm someone who, because I'm in the online space, I am checking YouTubers. I'm checking their subscribers. I'm checking when did they start. And most of them, it takes them 1 to 3 years to build a presence. You know, you need to build a presence online if you want to start making money online. If you have a lot of money, of course, you can invest heavily and start making money right away. But if you don't have a lot of money, you will have to be patient and consistent, building your brand, building a presence. And then people will start trusting you and buying from you. But you will need to be patient and persistent, posting information, sharing knowledge, and then people will start buying from you. So that is it for making money online. That is how you start off making money online. What else do I want to share with you? I will share the links of how you can start as an affiliate marketer, or how you can, oh yes, there's another thing that I wanted to share with you. So for us living in the third world countries, also in other countries, but I am focusing on third world countries because for us it has been a little bit difficult to make money online, especially in my country, because I did a lot of research and it was impossible for us to receive money in our bank account. So you could open a PayPal account and people will pay you on your PayPal, but you won't be able to use the money on your PayPal. I have recently signed up with Pioneer, and Pioneer does offer you a chance to get your money in your bank account. Yes. I know it for sure because I have a friend who is doing translating services for 10 years in Suriname, and she is being paid out via Pioneer. Yes, she's being paid out via Pioneer, and she receives her money and she can use the money for her translation job. So it is possible. And yes, I have also signed up with Pioneer. The link for Pioneer is also in the description. So you can go and register with Pioneer. But the thing with Pioneer is, Pioneer isn't like PayPal. The difference between Pioneer and PayPal is that PayPal you can send money to friends and family and so on. But with Pioneer, you really need to be a business. So you need to register as an affiliate marketer. So if you register with ClickBank or any other online platform where you can make money being an affiliate marketer, or just doing work for them online, then you can register on Pioneer and tell Pioneer that you are an established business, or you are a business and you're trying to receive money. You want to receive money for goods and services that you are doing for other people. And then you can register on Pioneer, and you can link your Suriname bank account. Yes, you can link your Nigerian, Ghanaian, Jamaican, and so on bank account to Pioneer, and you will be able to receive your money from Pioneer, the money that is being paid out to you. So guys, go ahead and sign up, register with ClickBank, register with Fiverr, and start making money online. Start small. Don't be afraid. If you have the patience, I urge you, start with it and start now. You are still young. Start now and build your brand, build your presence, and take it one day at a time. Don't hurry. Don't think about the big box. Think about putting in the work now so you can relax and chillax later. Okay? If you're an adult like me and you don't have the patience, you need to have money. You need to have money to invest. If you see an online thing, people are offering online businesses to you. If you don't have money to invest, you won't make it that quick. Or you need to be a good seller, or you need to be a good network marketer. If you have a big and a large network, you can go and sell your stuff to people. But usually it takes a lot of time to build and become rich, to get paper, the money that you want and dream of by having an online business. So if you're an adult like me and you want to go ahead, one, you need to have money to invest. You can, to make money, you got to spend money. That is one. And two, if you don't have it, you need to invest time. So it is another kind of investment. You need to invest time. You need to invest persistence. You need to invest in getting knowledge. Okay? But it is possible. But for youngsters, I urge you, please start now and register with Pioneer, register with ClickBank, register with I will share more information in the coming weeks about the different ways how you can make money online. So register with them. Use the links in my video so you too can start sharing as well. That is it for this week, Make Money Online. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. This video is taking way too long already. It's almost 15 minutes. So I need to end right here and see you next time.